Hey guys, welcome to codingcode.edu. In this series of complete Java programming, we will discuss each and every topic related to Java with clean and understandable examples. This course is mainly targeted for beginners who are passionate to learn Java and students pursuing computer science engineering. So first of all, we must know what is Java. Java is a powerful general-purpose object-oriented programming language. We will further discuss about the term object-oriented in our next videos. Java plays a key role in Android app development. As we all know, Java is the official language to develop an Android-based application. Java is currently used by over 3 billion people all over the world. Now we will see why one must learn Java. The first and the primary use is Java supports OOPs and has multiple libraries. Next, it certainly brings you higher packages due to its versatile nature in many of the areas. Java has one of the largest community to guide us regarding any error caused while programming. Java also has demand in web development and app development. Let us see some of the applications of Java. Below given are some of the applications of the Java. Java is used to create desktop and enterprise GUI based applications. It was also used in scientific research, cloud-based computing and gaming, etc. Many of the well-known companies such as NASA, Google, Uber, Spotify and Amazon uses Java to develop their applications. Now let us dive into our syllabus of Java. The syllabus was partitioned into two ways. The first one is fundamentals of Java, which includes basics of every programming language such as variables, data types, operators, input and output, arrays, etc. On the other hand, we have OOP concepts of Java, which includes classes, objects, abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance, etc. We will discuss about each and every topic in clean and efficient way. Thank you guys, watch more and learn more. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.